Hello everyone, welcome to another video of Matthew's Adventures. Today we're going to be demonstrating this Henry Hoover to clean up one mess. I've got my friend Dean today, so he will be on in just a sec.
Thank you.
Yeah, let's just help Henry. Let's do it.
Okay, here is the NRV 200-22 Henry Hoover model. So right now, I have turned on the plug. Let's go back here to Henry. Let's turn him on. He had a mean start. Oh, I forgot high mode.
I know.
Good thing we have Henry Hoover. I'm going to go get his hose.
Cool. Dean has to be back in a minute, viewers.
I have got his hose.
Yeah, and we're going to suck up £50. Fake money.
Yeah. I love your imagination, Matthew. It's good to be on your channel.
Cool. I think we'll go viral.
Is it alright if I do a quick shout out to my channel?
Yeah.
Subscribe to SpongeBobDean Carrol, please.
And Matthew's Adventures, what you're just literally watching just now.
Yup. Okay, his hose is on. For his first test, we are going to use the Aerobrush. Matthew, do you have a towel?
What?
Oh, wait. We're sitting on one. There we go. Now it's dry.
Yeah. So,
I'm going to assume you use this on George's.
yeah, well, we can use it in here if you like.
Yeah.
Right, so.
Wait, I forgot about Henry's filter. But it's okay.
I'm sure we'll be fine.
Yep.
Right, let's try this when Dean has putting that on.
Oh, why did I make this so hard?
Want me to help?
Yes, please. Teamwork is key, kids.
Yep.
Stay at school. LOL.
Oh.
I'm going to record me dancing really quickly.
Okay.
Ow!
Oh.
Why did I slap Henry?
I know.
Ah! Matthew,
Well,
I found a penny. Sorry,
we're making a video.
we're making a video. It's okay, but we're doing good. I'll cut it out.
Right, wow, this is hard. I think we'll use the Aerobrush.
Yeah, the Hero brush.
We'll try it.
Let's use the Hero brush instead.
We'll try.
Why did I make this so difficult?
What about we use the normal one?
Yeah, let's just use that.
Yeah.
Yeah, because that'd be better. Because we can't even get it on for the life of us, so. Okay, I'm going to turn it on in 3, 2, 1. Whoa, look at that suction! Whoa! We are cleaning it up! Oh my goodness!
Just breaking this up a wee bit. I don't want to block it. There's no time for the mess anyway, but we made it and it was, so.
Good thing we put in
home cleaning now.
Yeah, let's just turn Henry on.
I'll keep an eye on the camera.
I'm gonna turn him on to high mode. Look! Oh my goodness! It's pulling it!
I know, it's happened to me before.
Oh my goodness! It sucked up the whole thing! Look!
Yeah, well, but we should keep on rolling. I'll keep it on rolling.
Oh no! It came out!
What?
It all came out of Henry's nose! Like bang, bang!
I'm just keeping an eye on the camera.
Has Gavin appeared on your channel yet?
I don't think. No, he's not going to appear till his channel can be public.
I've subscribed to him, and you should too.
Okay.
We will leave a link to his channel in the description below.
So, right. Want me to help?
No, I just wanted to try that.
Okay. I might write thanks for watching at the end.
Yeah, I might too. Why don't we both do it?
Yeah.
Matthew style, men in style.
Yeah.
Ah.
I can do this more often now.
Yeah. Now that I've teach you how to use Time Master.
A wee bit. I might need a bit of help though.
Yeah.
I've watched your channel.
I sucked up a sticker.
That's alright.
And I sucked up a ball! I sucked up something this small, and it literally just went right into his dust bag.
I don't mind. Right, do you think the mess is clean enough?
Yeah, just let me get this line.
Well, can I put my hose on it, please, once you've done it?
Yeah. Okay. Oh, that's all right. Ooh, look at this ball. Okay, see, a ball.
Hey,
How are you twice sucking the ball? Suck the ball. Wow. That was totally wicked. Oh no.
there we are, guys.
I'm being too silly with this.
Yeah,
I'll be on camera duty.
I should have used the floor tool.
Yeah, and that'd be easier to suck up.
Yeah, but it's alright. We're really clean now.
Yeah, and this video's 7 minutes long.
Cool, that's quite long.
Wait, how about we try sucking up the dust ball on top of Henry?
Yeah, we'll do that.
Yeah, Henry, let him lean yourself.
Henry's sucking up Henry.
It's Henry's section.
I don't think it's going to make a difference.
Nice. Each one.
Okay, thank you for watching, folks. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.
Thank you for watching Dean wriggling his tongue. We can put audio over it, so dance!
Dance! And I'll say something at the end.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching again. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.
Because Henry will love that very much. Yeet!
Right. I'm going to make a video down to air tomorrow, so get excited for that, because you know I am.
You wear the darts.
I'll tell you in a minute. Right.
Cocomelon.
So, right, I'll leave Dean channels in the description, like I just said. So,